Hi there, so today I'll be benchmarking the Raspberry Pi as the first video in this video series. I'm going to use Sysbench to do all of the benchmarking, so let's get started. I will be recording these results in an Excel sheet, and next video, when I have something to compare to, I'll show you the results in the slides. But let's run the CPU benchmark. So let's test the CPU score. So maybe that was a little too much for the Raspberry Pi. Let's try with a little less. Let's try with, let's say, 2,000. 20,000, maybe the system couldn't handle this much of a load. So here's our first score. It took 3.1 seconds to complete. You can compare this to other Linux systems by running this command. Post the command in the description below. I'll be running this same command on all of the systems that I will be checking. And the systems that I will be checking are the Raspberry Pi 2, which this is, BeagleBone Black, the BeagleBoard XM Rev C, and the Minnow board. So now we should check the I/O of the Raspberry Pi. So to test the I/O of the Raspberry Pi 2, you have to prepare it. It's creating the files. It's going to create 128 files of 1,634 kilobytes each and 2 gigabytes total. So after having prepared, you can now run the test. I won't write all of this, but I will have to change the file size to our 2 gigs. I have run this test on a larger system, that's why there was the 150 gigs. Also, that's a baseline benchmark for PCs running Linux. So let's run the benchmark and see what happens. So here's the score. This executed it in 3.1793 seconds. So here are the results. This is the important bit. Read was 15.96 megabytes, written no. So here are the results. So now there are loads of numbers. The most important of these is this, 90.851 kilobit per second. This is what will be compared to all the others. Now before we stop the benchmarking, the I/O that I just wrote here, the I/O that I just wrote here, I'll now have to remove. thank you for watching this benchmark. I'll have more results. In the next video I'll compare and contrast. Thank you for watching. This was more like an intro video. There's more to come in the next few weeks. Thank you.